To begin, we'll make a slip knot. And then we'll make chains in multiples of 6 plus 8. I'll be making 18 chains plus 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll skip the first chain and we'll go into the second one with a single crochet. I'll place my stitch marker into that stitch. And into the next chain we'll also make a single crochet. We'll chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And into the fourth one we'll make a single crochet. And also into the next 2 chains we'll make 1 single crochet into it. So in total we'll have 3 single crochets following each other. We'll chain 3 again like we did here. 1, 2, 3. We'll skip 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the fourth we'll make a single crochet. And into the next 2 chains we'll make 1 single crochet into each of them. And you continue this till you get to the end of this row. Now I've made my last 3 chains. I'll skip the 3 chains here. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 chains left, so we'll go ahead and make 1 single crochet into each of the last 2 chains, and that gives us the same thing that we have at the beginning of this row. We have 2 single crochet at the beginning of the row, and also we finished up this row with 2 single crochet, and that completes row 1. To begin row 2, we chain 1, we flip our work, and into this same stitch we'll make a single crochet. I'll put my stitch marker into that stitch. And into this chain 3 space we'll make 7 double crochet. We'll make only 1 single crochet stitch at the beginning. We'll skip the second single crochet and go into the chain 3 space with 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. Now we've made 7 double crochet into the chain 3 space. We'll skip this first single crochet. Remember we made 3 single crochets in the first row. We'll skip the first one. We'll go into the second one with a single crochet. And next we'll go into the chain 3 space with another set of 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Just like we did earlier, we'll skip the first single crochet. We'll go into the second one with a single crochet. And you continue this till we get back to the end of the row. Now I've completed the last set of 7 double crochet. I'll go ahead and work single crochet into this last stitch. Remember we made 2 single crochet at the beginning of the first row, so you go into the very last one and make your single crochet. Now this completes row 2. If your work is a little curled up, be patient, because as you go along it's going to straighten up. So to begin row 3, we'll chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you flip your work. The first 3 chains stands as a double crochet, while the remaining 3 chains is the chain 3 space we are making. So you skip the first 2 double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, and you go into the third one with a single crochet. You make single crochet into the next 2 double crochet. 1 2. So in total you have 3 single crochet at the top of the first cluster. Then you chain 3. 1 2 3. You skip the last 2 double crochet from this cluster, and also skip the first 2 double crochet from the next cluster and go into the third one with a single crochet. 1, and you make 1 single crochet into the top of the next 2 double crochets. You will also have 3 single crochet, excuse me. You chain 3. 1 2 3. You go into the next cluster, you skip the first 2 double crochet, and into the third one you make a single crochet, and also 1 single crochet into the next 2 double crochets. You chain 3. 1 2 3. You go into the last cluster, into the top of the third double crochet, and you make a single crochet, and into the next 2 double crochet you make 1 single crochet each. Then you chain 3 again. 2 3, and into the top of the single crochet that you made in the previous row you make a double crochet. Remember, we had a chain 3 that stands as a double crochet at the beginning of this row, and also we'll repeat the same thing at the end of this row. And that completes row 3. To begin row 4, we'll chain 3. 1 2 3. We'll flip our work, and into this chain 3 space we'll make 3 double crochet. Remember, the chain 3 stands as a double crochet, so that means in total we'll have 4 double crochet. That's half of the cluster of 7 double crochets that we've been making previously. 2 and 3. Then into the second single crochet that we made from the 3 single crochets that we made in the previous row, we'll make another single crochet, and that completes our half cluster. We'll go into this next chain 3 space and we'll make 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. We'll go into the second single crochet and make a single crochet, and into the next chain 3 space we'll make 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That completes another cluster. We'll go into the second single crochet and make a single crochet, and into the next chain 3 space we'll make 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You make a single crochet into the second single crochet. Now we are back at the end of the row, and just like we did at the beginning, we'll make half cluster, and that means we'll make 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. 1 2 And to make the fourth double crochet, we'll count 3 chains, 1 2 3, and into the top of that third chain is where we'll make our fourth double crochet, so we can have a straight edge. And that completes row 4. If we make the 4 double crochets into the chain space, we are not going to have a straight edge, so that's why we are making the fourth double crochet into the top of the third chain. Now we'll begin row 5. We'll chain 1, we'll flip our work, and we'll make single crochet into the very first stitch, and into the next one we'll also make a single crochet. Now this is like a repeat of what we had at the very beginning of the row. We'll chain 3, 1 2 3. You skip the first 2 double crochet from this cluster, and into the third one you make a single crochet, and also single crochet, 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 double crochets. You should have a total of 3 single crochet at the top of that row. You chain 3, 1 2 3. You skip the first 2 double crochets from the next cluster, and into the third one you make a single crochet. 1 2 3. You chain 3, 1 2 3. You go into the next cluster, you locate the third double crochet, and you make a single crochet into that stitch, and also 1 single crochet into the next 2 double crochets. You chain 3, 1 2 3, and just like we did at the beginning, you go into the third double crochet, you make a single crochet, and into the top of the chain 3 that we made here. Remember, the chain 3 stands as a stitch. You also go ahead and make a single crochet. Now that completes row 5. To begin row 6, you chain 1, you flip your work, you make 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and into the chain 3 space we'll make 7 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You go into the second single crochet and make a single crochet. Then you go into the chain 3 space again and make 7 double crochet, and you repeat this till you get to the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the row. I've made my last 7 double crochet. I'll go ahead and put a single crochet into the last stitch, and that completes this row. So this is basically the process to make an arcade crochet stitch. It's just a repeat of row 2 to row 5. You continue to repeat row 2 to 5 until you've covered the length that you need. That completes this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, crafters.